What's up, guys? It's your girl Courtney, and I have Mackenzie over here setting up. And today, we are doing what's tonight. But we are doing a party punch. It is a Malibu Island Breeze. I found it on Booze on the Rocks YouTube channel, but I'm just gonna amplify it and make it into a party punch because, yeah, that's what we're gonna do. So the things that you need are cranberry juice. Oh, maybe not pick this up. Pineapple juice. Some peach, how you say that? Schnapps. And some Malibu.
Some pink schnapps.
Coconut rum. Those are the only ingredients you need. And I'm thinking maybe putting some, what you think, like maybe like a fizz of ginger at the top after tasting it or whatever. Might see what it needs. And I cut up some limes to garnish the punch. But we're gonna take this up a notch and we're gonna make these drinking pouches, adult Capri Suns. So we're gonna put it in here. So the easiest thing to do, I would think, is to put it in a bowl that has this dispenser, so that you can just open it up and pour it in there, and then drop the little limes in there, and then you're good to go. So now I am going to mix everything, and let's see what we're gonna come up with. Boom, boom. Give me some chocolate. Okay, and I forgot to tell you guys that I am going to leave you the ingredients, the amounts that you need to use. I have this little cheat sheet right here. So I'm going to leave it down below. And I'm also going to, when I show you what I'm putting in this bowl, I'm gonna give you the numbers there.